Hello everyone, welcome to YantraTek, and this is the second part of the review of Nikon D5600. Today we would be taking a look at pictures and videos taken using the kit lenses, that is AFP 18 to 55 mm and the AFP 70 to 300 mm VR. Both these lenses are of G type. Few additional features of D5600 like time lapse, scrolling using the touchscreen, and Snapbridge are showcased here as well. Let's go ahead and have a look at the pictures and videos first. The option to shoot a time-lapse movie has been provided on the Nikon D5600. Let's go ahead and have a look as to where to locate it, basic settings for a time-lapse movie, and a couple of examples. You will need to go, once you go to the menu, go to the shooting menu, and if you just scroll up, you will find interval timer shooting and time-lapse movie. So once you select time-lapse movie, you can set the interval here. This is the interval at which the photos will be taken. So this is where you set the minutes, and this is where you set the seconds. The shooting time, same format, hours, minutes. You also have the option to set the exposure smoothing on or off. This should help set up the basics of time-lapse movie. You will also need to set a few other things depending on where you're shooting and how the environment is. You may want to select auto white balance or other option. Same goes with the case for ISO and shutter speed. You can choose one of the programs here, the semi-automatic programs, and use them for a time-lapse movie. Let's go ahead and have a look at a couple of samples. One of the other features provided on the Nikon D5600 is the touchscreen scroll bar. This is nothing but scrolling through your pictures using touchscreen. As you can see, the numbers. Yeah. Snapbridge is the latest connectivity feature offered by Nikon. This is being offered on most of the recent cameras like the Nikon D3400, D500, and it's also present on the Nikon D5600 here. What this does is it enables you to connect the camera to a smart device and transfer images instantaneously as you take them. To do this, Bluetooth is being used, and you will also need to download an app on your smart device depending on the kind of operating system that you have. That's either Android or iOS. Let's go ahead and have a look at the options on the camera and how to connect both devices. You'll need to go to the menu, go to the setup menu, and as you scroll up you should be able to see the option here saying connect to smart device, send to smart device. The Bluetooth would be grayed out initially, but once you have established a connection between both the devices, this should be available for future use as well. You will need to select connect to smart device here, press OK. You also have the option of using NFC to do or establish this connection. If you have NFC enabled device, you need to touch it to the camera, and that should just set it up. We do not have this right now, so we'll just proceed ahead. Okay. I have already downloaded the app on the smart device here. So let's go ahead and fire that up. It's asking for Bluetooth. So you'll need to select here. You'll see the camera name here. Just tap here. Yeah, we got the pairing code same on both of them. We say OK. Okay, here as well. It says, yeah. Right. Okay. So it asks you if you want to set up the location data from the smart device. You can select whatever you want. I am selecting no. Sync with its clock on the smart device, no. Right. So this means now both the camera and the smart device are connected. On the smart device it looks like this, where it shows the battery percentage, the connection. As you can see here, we have the options here as well, which we can use to select the location and the synchronization on the clock. Let's take a picture. As you can see, it says downloading picture. Once the pictures are downloaded, you will be able to see a dot like this, wherein if you select it, you can see the pictures that you had taken. The pictures that are received, or rather transferred from the camera, are JPEG images, and the maximum size is of 2 megabytes. That's all for this video. Please hit the like button if you liked the video, and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.